Welcome to the car review. Today, we're diving into the bold new design and performance of the 2026 Renault Arkana, a car that blurs the line between sporty elegance and everyday practicality. The 2026 Arkana gets a fresh update, sharper LED lighting, a sleeker front grille, and new alloy designs that give it a more premium stance. Renault is clearly pushing this coupe SUV toward a more upscale segment, and it shows. Step inside, and the story continues. A fully digital 10-inch driver's display pairs seamlessly with a 9.3-inch touchscreen, now with the latest OpenR-Link infotainment system powered by Google. The cabin feels more refined, with soft-touch materials and new color themes that add just the right touch of flair. Under the hood, the 2026 Arkana continues with its e-tech hybrid powertrain, a 1.6-liter petrol engine paired with electric motors for a total output of around 145 horsepower. It's not a sports car, but it's smooth, efficient, and surprisingly responsive in urban traffic and light highway cruising. Boot space is generous, and the sloping roofline doesn't compromise practicality as much as you'd think. It still offers enough room for your weekend getaway or daily errands. Safety hasn't been left behind either. With adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and a 360-degree camera system, the Arkana is equipped to keep you confident behind the wheel. So, is the 2026 Renault Arkana the perfect blend of style, tech, and efficiency? For those looking for something a little different in the compact SUV space, this might just be the car to watch. Thanks for watching the car review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in the automotive world. See you in the next one.